In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. A major development project contract signed in Takhar province. An Afghan agricultural delegation travels to Iran. And Austria supports Afghan returnees. Welcome to today's news package. It's Saturday the 13th of Rajab 1447, the 13th of Jadi 1404, and the 3rd of January 2026. The news details. The Minister of Water and Energy, Mullah Abdul Latif Mansour, has signed a contract for Section 9 of Yatim Tepe Riverbank Protection Project in Darqat, the district of Takhar province, with a construction company, valued 81.5 million Afghanis. The ministry described the project as essential and vital, emphasizing its importance in preventing riverbank erosion, protecting agricultural land in Darqat district, and ensuring the safety of life and property of local residents. A delegation led by Maulavi Baz Muhammad Faizan, the Deputy Minister for Irrigation and Natural Resources in the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, has traveled to Tehran to participate in an exhibition of agriculture equipment and modern irrigation technologies. In addition to attending the specialized exhibition, delegation will take part in bilateral business-to-business meeting with companies and institutions active in agriculture, irrigation and related technologies, and will also visit various relevant facilities. The news continuation. The Ministry for Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints reports that its religious morals in Bamiyan and Balkh provinces have arrested 2 professional sorcerers. Based on the ministry, the individuals were engaged in non-Islamic practices and extorting money from the public and have been handed over to the judicial and legal authorities following their arrest. And ultimately, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, announced that Austria has contributed $1 million to support Afghan returnees. The organization stated that this assistance will help returning families go back to their homes safely and with dignity. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.